How you guys doing today? I am working on this Audi. I think it's a A4, A6. It's a 2005 Locksmith. Tried programming keys, and as you see, the cluster is on deaf. They weren't able to program the keys. They actually messed it up. All right, I'm using I forgot what this is called. The FVDI, really old too. I've had it forever. I'm able to read the cluster. I was able to read it, and I'm gonna attempt to repair this using this. I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second as I look over this information. Okay, I'm just gonna do this on the fly. I don't remember too much. It's been a while I fixed one of these, but I'm gonna try to remember as much as I can while I'm doing this video. I'm gonna save the file right now, and that's another Audi I did before, so that's not this one. So I'm gonna go to desktop. I'm gonna create a new folder. 2005 Audi, and I'm gonna save the cluster. EEPROM. This is the RB8 cluster. That's a crypto cluster, and this is a RB8 cluster that is encrypted, so you cannot read the EEPROM directly on the board because it's going to be gibberish. You have to read it through the NEC processor, which is through the OBD. Now you see the emo status is on 255. If I remember correctly, I think it should be 01 or 06. So I'm gonna, and that should take the def off. Well, let me just see what happens. It's been a while. If not, I'll look up some information online. See, it's currently on def. And it's going in, connecting, and it's gonna try to make the changes. Sometimes it'll say it failed, but it still does it. See, it's gonna please retry, and it should automatically retry, or it'll pop up and say successful. We'll see in a second. I'll continue recording once this connects again. I am just rereading it right now. I hit read again to see if it updated the emo status or not. But if not, I did not even remember the repair def right there. So once it reads it, I'm gonna click on the repair def and see if it'll get it out of this state, so I can continue to go on and program the key in properly. You see right there, it says connected, start receive. It read the data. Okay, the status stayed the same at 255. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit repair def. Okay, let me the config data. Let me read the keys and save them. Okay. I'll continue in a second. Okay, it is currently in the process of repairing the depth. You see the cluster changed around, and it's doing what it has to do. It's at 18%. I already made a backup of this, so I can always just rewrite it if something goes wrong. But right now it's currently doing the procedure, and just make sure I have a booster pack on it, or a jump box, or a charger. I'm using the extension cord for the laptop, so if I don't have it on the charger. And I have this computer to do next, and this one to do next. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as that I'm 100% and the procedure is complete with the key programmed. Alright, I was partially successful. At least now the key is programmed. There's no more def, and I'm gonna use another tool to try to repair the mileage, because I'm having trouble repairing the mileage once it was repaired. I had to load a backup bin that I had from another car, write it into it, then update the key data. Like right here, you save the key data, and then you update the key data. You got to take note of your CS codes and all that information as well. And partial repair with this. I'm gonna hit it with another scanner, some other hardware I have to repair the mileage. But I got my intended results. The heater now works. That didn't turn on before because of the key wasn't, the key problem and the depth problem. The radio didn't turn on. That's why they installed that aftermarket radio. And the hazard lights were always on, because the last person did emo off. They turned the immobilizer off on the computer, on the engine computer, so they weren't able to drive the car anyway, because the alarm was always going off, heater didn't work, AC didn't work, a lot of other things didn't work, radio. So now everything's working, keys programmed. I just got to adjust the mileage, and that's it. I didn't include it in this video. I might include it in a different video of enabling the immobilizer, because I had to enable the immobilizer back on the computer as well, on the engine computer, repair the dash, and program the key. And now everything's good. So concluding repair with FVDI 2018 using an old bin from another car, and for some reason it's not letting me calibrate the mileage right here. Like, I try to repair it, recalibrate it, and it's not working. It just throws another error, and I have to recover from that error. But we're all good. Thank you for watching Auto Key Security Services. Peace. Yeah, just an update. Everything was fine with the mileage. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking that it had 999 miles was showing up, but once I got a good look at it, and I reviewed the original mileage, everything was okay. So the mileage was intact, everything was intact, and car turns on no problem, no more def, safe. And like I said, heater works now. This would not turn on before, and no more flashing lights. So that was just a quick update. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Alex signing out.